Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I'm sharing a quick and easy last minute Mother's Day treat holder. And I thought this would be perfect for like that last minute gift. You can even give them to your sisters or your aunts, or I just thought it would be a really cute, quick and easy little thinking of you type treat holder. So this is what I'm sharing, and this is Peekaboo Peach, and it is retiring. So if you want to get that color, you need to get it now before it goes away. And this flower is going to be Bermuda Bay. And the stamp set that I'm using is the Apron of Love. So I'm using the Best Ever and the Mom. Just think, you can change this up and make it for Father's Day and use the Best Ever Dad. You don't have to put the flower on. You can just use a scallop circle and the circle punch for that. But it's really cute. You do need the gusseted 3x6 Stampin' Up bags, because these fit perfectly in there. And it has no window sheet, so the bag is your little window there. And then you'll need some circling, or your layering circle framelits, which is this big set right here. And I am using the 2.5-inch scalloped circle for that. And then you'll need a 1-inch circle punch for this, and of course some ribbon. Alright, so let's get started with this. This piece is 10 inches by 4, and this time I'm using powder pink. I'm still going to use the Bermuda Bay for the flower, but I just thought I'd change it up a little bit because the Peekaboo Peach is retiring. So we're going to score this, and we're going to score it at 1, at 5, and at 6. And that is it. Alright, so let me grab my bone folder, and we're going to sharpen these. And then I'm going to bring the big shot up here, and we're going to just cut out the little window. So this is going to be on the inside. So we are going to make this the front. You can do it either way, but I just like this flap going towards the back. So if you mess up, it doesn't matter. So just center that. I brought it down a little bit more closer to the bottom, not exactly in the center. Oh, and I put my thing the wrong way, so I'm sorry for my arm being in the way. Okay. That's really hard for me to do when it's on the other side. I wasn't thinking. Alright, so there we have the hole. And now what we're going to do is I'm going to use, I got some pink Hershey Kisses, and I'm going to use the pink ones this time. So we're going to fill our bag. You don't want to overfill it because it'll make your bag bulge out. But there's, let's see, 3, 6, there's about 10 of them in here. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to adhere this. This is the best way I found to do it. I tried it to punch it after, but it didn't work out as good. So we're just going to adhere that. You can punch it, and then like you can punch your top and then adhere it, but this just worked just as easy, so that's why I'm doing it this way. Then you want to take your 1-inch circle punch, center it, and it does take a little bit to get through all that, but it punches. And then I just took the bag and I just slid the top in first, right through that little hole there. So you can see what I mean about that. it works out just fine. So then just pull your little bag all the way through. Just like that. And I've got quite a few in this one. The other one I think I put only 6 in. But I like to kind of frill that out a little bit. Alright, and then I'm going to use my finely woven powder pink. Okay, so we're going to tie a bow in here. I'm so proud of myself because my bows are coming out so much better. We're going to just cut that, tails. You can fool with your bow. I mean, I could fool with it forever, but isn't that cute? So anyway, let's move on to the flower. So I'm going to grab my Bermuda Bay. And I'm using the Daisy Delightful Daisy Punch, and I will actually, I can't remember the exact name of it, but it's the Daisy Punch here, so I'll put it in the video. And we are going to punch that. And then I'm taking my little sponge dauber and my Bermuda Bay. I'm just going to go around the edges. It just gives it some definition. Okay, and then we're going to adhere that. I'm going to use some fast fuse. You can use snail, you can use glue dot. I'm going to put it right there. And then I'm going to grab my Whisper White and my stamps and some Memento Tuxedo Black. We're going to do the Best Ever Mom. I hope my head don't get in the way. There. And then once again, use your 1-inch circle punch. Punch that out. Grab a dimensional and put it on the back. And we're going to pop that up for your little center of your flower. So there you have it. See how quick and easy, and isn't that adorable? Here's the other one that has the Peekaboo Peach. But they're so cute and really quick and easy. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop right from my blog. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I will catch you in the next one. I'll see you later. Bye.